So, hello everybody, this is your mentor Shashank, welcoming you all once again on the Oliveboard platform. Today, we are going to discuss the SSC CGL Tier 2 live mock. We are going to see the best solutions we can, right? Today, we are going to check the best solutions I can give you from my end, so that you can solve this mock, you can understand this mock in a perfect way. So let's start the solutions with the very first question we are having on our screen. The first question on our screen is from the let me zoom the question. I guess the question is properly visible to you all. I guess the question is properly visible to you all. I guess the question is properly visible to you all, right? Now, the question is from the inequality actually. The question is asking end is greater than percentage. The symbol is facing towards end. So we are having end and percentage over here. All the symbols are facing towards end. The first priority symbol is asked. This is the first priority. This conclusion is true. Now this is asking this symbol and this symbol. The symbol is facing towards this bracket and of the first priority. So while going from this symbol to percentage, all symbols are facing towards this one. This is first priority, third priority, first, and we need it first. So this is also true. The answer should be both conclusion 1 and 2 are true. Both conclusion 1 and 2. Let's mark option number C. And hence it turns into green, which is right. It turns into green. It is right. Both 1 and 2 are true. Let's move on to the next question. Second one. The second question on our screen is this one. We are having the second question on our screen from the series. Let's see how can we solve this one. The series is question mark 53 117 333 and 1845. Now let's see how can we solve this thing. Let's take the difference between them. 7 minus 3 6, 11 minus 5 6, 66. It will be 66. Sorry, 7 minus 3 4, it will be 7 minus 3 4 and 11 minus 5 6. It will be 64 gap. It will be 13 minus 7 6 and 32 minus 11 uh, 1 2 216. It will be 216, right? Now the gap between both these number 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 3 1, 8 minus 3, 5 minus 3 2 actually. 4 minus 3 1, 8 minus 3 5, 512. The gap is 512. Similarly, the gap over here is 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 8 0 and 1 1000. I can say this is 4 cube, this is 6 cube, 8 cube and 10 cube. So the gap I am seeing, the pattern I am seeing is the cube of all the even numbers. So there should be a cube of 2 and 2 cube is what? 8. 117 minus 64, so 53 minus 8, 45. 45 should be the right answer, which is matching with option number A. So shall we mark the option number A? Let's see if we are getting answer right. Yes, it turns into green. It means we have done right. It means we have done right. Next question on our screen, that is third one. Third question on our screen from the ranking. From the ranking. Let's see what should be the right answer for this question. In a row of people all facing north, Irfan is 21 from the left end. This is the left end. And Irfan is there at the 21st position. At the 21st position. And 18th left of Yasmin. And Irfan is 18th left of Yasmin. So there will be 17% between Irfan and Yasmin. Right? If Irfan is 21 from the left end, then 21 plus 17, 38 and 39. Yasmin will be 39. Yasmin will be 39 from the left end. Tasha is exactly between Irfan and Yasmin. Tasha is exactly between Irfan and Yasmin. So there are, how many person are there? There are 17% between Irfan and Yasmin. So out of 17, the ninth person will be the exactly middle one. So Tasha will be like this. Tasha will be like this. 8% there, 8% there, and ninth person will be the Tasha. So ninth is the exactly middle one. 8 and 8, 16 and 1, 17 Tasha. So 17% we have fixed like this. Tasha exactly between Yasmin and Irfan. If Tasha is 15th from the right end, Tasha is 15th from the right end. If Tasha is 15th from the right hand, so there will be 14% towards the right of Tasha. So 8 are this, y is 1, 8 and 1, 9, and 5 will be there. 5 will be there. So this is the arrangement that we can make. This is the arrangement that we can make for this question, and this is the right hand. This is the right hand. How many people are there in the row? We need to count the number of people in the row. So from left hand up to Yasmin, 39 were there. 39 were there. 5 we have counted new. So the answer should be 44, option number D. Option number D. Let's mark D option. Yes, it turns into green. It means we have done right. It means we have done right. Let's move on to the next fourth question. The fourth question on our screen is from the direction chapter. The question is, a bus driver starts his journey from Nagpur to Wardha. From Nagpur to Wardha, a driver drives 19 km east. 19 km east. Okay. He then turns right and drives 14 km, right turn and going 14. Then turning west, he drives 7. West means like this, and he is going how much? 7 km. This is 7. This is 7. Okay. He then turns left and drives 12. Left means below, and he is going how much? 12 km, like this. Okay. Finally, he drives 8 km east. Now he is going 8 km east. East goes like this. So this distance will be 7, and this distance will be 1. 7 and 1, 8, and reaches Wardha. And he reaches where? This destination is Wardha. And he started from Nagpur, and this starting point is Nagpur. In which direction Wardha is located with respect to driver's first turn? The driver's first turn was this point. This was the first turn. So Wardha is located where? Wardha is not exactly in the south direction. The Wardha is in the south and east. South and east. The answer should be option number A, southeast. Answer should be option number A, southeast. Let's mark option A and C if we are right or wrong. Yes, we are right because it turns into green. We are right because it turns into green, and hence we are right. Next, fifth question on our screen. We are having the fifth question on our screen. Let's see what should be the right solution for this one. Let's see the right solution for this one. Seven pillars A, B, C, D, E, F, G of different height and strength are constructed for the dam. The tallest pillar is the strongest, and the second tallest is the second strongest, and so on. B is taller than F and G. So B will come before F and G. But we are not sure that which pillar will come between F and G. Either F can come before G or G can come before F. A is shorter than D. So D will be taller than A. C is shorter than D. C is shorter than D. So after D, C will come. C is shorter than D but stronger than B and E. But this C is stronger than B and E. But out of B and E, we don't know who is stronger and taller or whatever. And after B, F and G will come. Okay, we will connect this line later on. Which of the following sequence of their height and strength is possible? Which of the following is possible? Okay, see one thing that we were having 7 pillars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Out of 7, I can see that after D, 1, 2, 3, 3 are there, 4 is this, 5 is this, 6 is this. So D will come at the first position. D will come at the first position. D will come at the first position. This is very much clear because after D, C, B and E are coming. These 3. Then after D, A is coming. 4. And after D and after B, F and G are coming. So F and G will come after D as well. So all the dams are coming after D. So D will come at the first position. If D is coming at the first position, the option A is wrong, C is wrong, D is wrong. Only option number B should be the right answer. Only option B should be the right answer. Let's mark option number B. Let's mark B. Yes, we are right because it turns into green. We are right because it turns into green. Seventh question on our screen. Seventh question on our screen from the repeated series. Seventh question on our screen from the repeated series. Let's see. What should be the right answer for this one? Let's see. In this question, we are having how many pairs of letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are having 20. We are having 20. 20 can be written as 5 pair of 4 elements, 4 pair of 5 elements. We should start with 5 or 4. We can start with anyone. Let's start with 5 pair of 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. A, A, A. So let's mark A. Let's mark A. Second is C, C, C. Let's mark C. AC, 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 AC. It has become acid, 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 and acid. All are made the series of acid. All are making a series of acid. So the right answer should be CAII. CAII. Option number D. Option number D is matching CAII. So let's mark D. Yes, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Eighth question on our screen. Eighth question again from the repeated series. Eighth question again from the repeated series. Let's see what should be the right answer. How many pair of elements are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 are there. Again 20 can be written as 4 pair of 5 elements or 5 pair of 4 elements. Whatever seems comfortable. Earlier we took 5 pair. Let's again take the 5 pair of 4 elements. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. If I see this is starting with S, this is G, this is R, this is N. So this will not make a pair. This will not make a pair because all are starting with different. So 5 pair is not making. 5 pair is not making. 4 pair of 5 element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. And 3, 4, 5. S, 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 S. All are starting with S. Third is N. Let's mark N. Third is N. And third is N. Okay. Then second is T. STNRG. STNRG. STNRG and STNRG. The series is STNRG. The series that is being formed is STNRG. The right answer should be T R T N R G T. TN T R T N R G T. T R T N R G T. T R T N R G T. Option number B. Option number B. Let's mark this. B is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question, ninth. Ninth question on our screen. Ninth question on our screen from the syllogism. Okay. Only a few sofa are chair. Only a few sofa are chair. It is given in the statement. No chair is bad. No chair is bad. A few bed are table. A few bed are table. Conclusion. Some chair are table. Some chair are not table. This is true. This is wrong. Sorry. Some sofa being bed. Some sofa being bed. Yes, this bed can come here but not here. So some sofa being bed is a possibility. No table is sofa. No table is sofa. We cannot say anything about this because table and sofa does not have any relation. We cannot see any direct relation, but it can make. That's why third one is the wrong. Answer should be only two follows. That is option number B. Let's mark option number B. Yes, B turns into green. It means we have done right. Let's move on to the 10th question. 10th question on our screen. 10th question on our screen. By interchanging the given two numbers, not digit, 9 and 12 should be interchanged. So what we can get? What we can get? Let's see. If we are putting 12 over here, it will become 3. And 9 over here. So 12 dividing 36, 3. 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 48. It will become 66. Okay, 66 minus 9, it will become 57. First one is the right. Second, 9 come here, 12 go there. Dividing, we will get 6 first. Multiplying, I will get 27. 63 plus 27, 90. 90 minus 6, 84, which is not equal to 91. So only one is the right. Option number A should be the right one. Let's mark A. Yes, it turns into green. It means we have done right. It means we have done right. Next question, 11th. 11th question again from the mathematical operation. Again from the mathematical operation. We are having this series. We have to fill such blanks to get the right answer. Divide first. Dividing 81 by 27, I will get 3. 3 multiplied by 9, I will get 27. 27 plus 18, I will get 45. And hence A is the right answer. By luck, we are getting the first option as the answer. Let's mark A. A is the right answer. Let's move on to the next 12th question. 12th question from the pattern completion. From the pattern completion. 12th question from the pattern completion, that which option will complete the pattern. I am drawing the pattern directly. Okay, this will complete like this, this will complete like this, and this square will go like this. We should get the figure like this, we should get the figure like this, and the last one should come like this. Okay, so this is matching with option number 1, I guess. Option number 1, I guess. 2 is wrong, 3 is wrong. Let's see other options. 4 is also wrong. Let's mark 1. Let's mark 1, that is B. Yes, B turns into green. It means we are right. It means we are right. Okay. Next, 13th question. 13th question is again from the pattern completion. We need to complete the figure. Okay. First of all, this black shaded area should be filled. Should be filled like this. And then this image should be made like this and made like this, because the replica of this part will be formed. Replica mirror image should be formed like this. And then I can see the diagonal is coming from the end to this end, from corner to this corner, like this, like this. Okay, so which image is matching with this one? Which image is matching with this one? One is wrong because this is the straight line and we need a diagonal. I think option number 2 is the right one. Option number 2 is matching correctly. Option number 2 is matching correctly. Let's see other options as well. In the third one, this is not right because the diagonal is coming from the edges. And in the fourth one, this we should not get this line. We should not get this line. I think only and only 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer. And 2 is given in option number A. So A is the right. Okay, A is the right. 14th question now. 14th question on our screen now. We need to find the mirror image. We need to find the mirror image now. We need to find the mirror image now. That what is the mirror image? So when we make the mirror image, the G will make image like this. G will make image like this. K will make image like this. Okay, the answer should start with G and K. So 1 is wrong. 2 can be right. 3 and 4 can be right. S will be made like this. S will be made like this in the format of 2. So 2 is wrong because Z and Z is given. 3 is wrong because either exclamation is given. So only 4 should be the right answer. 4 should be the right answer. Let's see option number B, because in option number B 4 is given. So B is the right because it turns into green. Because it turns into green and hence we are right. 15th question. See, the mock is very easy. The mock is very easy. We can directly score full marks because up to the 14th question, there is no such question which is putting us in trouble. All are the easy questions that we can score perfectly, right? Let's see the 15th one. Let's see the 15th one. The question is of the dice. A cube has 6 different faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है. When the face having number 2 on the top number is 2. Then what will the sum of the number on the top and bottom? Top plus bottom sum. We need to find the sum of top plus bottom. So in this dice and this dice, which is the common one? The 6 is the common one. 6 is the common. So move in the clockwise direction from 6. So we will move 1 opposite 3, 5 opposite 4, and 6 opposite will be the remaining one, that is 2. And sum of this 6 and 2 will make 8. And hence option number C should be the right answer. Let's mark C. Yes, C is the right answer because it turns into green. Okay. Let's move on to the 16th question. 16th question again, not again. This question is from the non-verbal reasoning of paper folding and cutting. Let's see what should be the right answer. Okay. The paper is folded from right to left, then bottom to top, then these 3 cuts are made. Now when I open this image in the backward, in the downward, the image will be made like this. The image will be made like this. Okay. And this will be made like this. This will be made like this. This will be made like this. Okay. And when I open it below, when I will be opening it below, this arrow will make its mirror image, like this. Like this. My drawing is not that much good. Like this and like this. Okay. So which option is matching with this one? See, option number 1 is cancelled because this arrow is facing outside. Now let's see other options. Option 2 is wrong because circles are not attached to this part. Circles should be attached. Let's move on to the third option. Third option is also wrong because these are the wrong. The arrow should be like this, thicker one. Let's move on to the fourth one. Fourth one seems pretty perfect. So fourth is the right answer. Let's see, fourth is given in D. Let's mark D. D is the right answer. 17th question. 17th question we are having on our screen. Let's see what should be the right answer for this one. What should be the right answer for this question? Let's see. Okay. Now we are having another question. Wait for a minute. Yeah, it will be like this. This image is related to this image. So how this image will be related to this image? This question is from the analogy. If you see carefully, if I am dividing this image, like this, image like this, so the upper portion is coming over here, right? And this bottom portion is coming at the top. Similarly, if I'm dividing this image, this star should come at the bottom, and this part should come at the top. So which option is matching like this? I can say that one is quite similar. So let's keep a hold on this one. This is quite similar. Let's see other options as well. 2 is wrong. 2 is definitely wrong. 2 can never be the right answer. 3 can never be the right answer because this should be attached. Let's see the fourth one. Fourth one is definitely wrong. Because the star is in the visor position. weird position, I should say. The 1 is the right answer. Only 1 is the right answer. 1 is the right answer. Let's mark the option number 1. The option number 1 is given in which one? Option number 1 is given in which? C. So C is the right answer. C is the right answer. 18th question. We need to find the odd one out in this one. We need to find the odd one out in this question. We need to find the odd one out. We need to find the odd one out in this question. That how can we find the odd one out of this given 5 figure? Out of this given 5 figure, which is the odd one out? If you see carefully, all these figures are having sides, edges, I can say. All these figures are having sides, edges, but this does not have any edges. So I think circle should be the odd one out. Circle should be the odd one out. Let's mark this one. This 5 is given in which option? In D. So D is the right answer. 19th question. 19th question we are having on our screen. 19th question we are having on our screen. What should be the right answer for this one? 4 number triads have been given, out of which, okay, we need to find the odd one out. We need to find the odd one out. How can we find odd one out? How can we find? Okay, adding both these 8 and 6 4. No, we cannot get this. Adding both these number 8 and 5 3. Okay, 4 and 1 5 and 3 8. Okay, we are getting this. 9 and 7 6. Okay, 1 carry over here. 3 and 1 4. 4 and 7 11. Okay, we are getting this. 8 and 1 9. 4 and 2 6. Okay, we are getting this. So odd one out should be A, because the sum of the first two number is not equal to the third number in option number 1. So let's mark A. Yes, A is the right answer. A is the right answer. 20th question. 20th question. Okay, what logic is being applied in this number? The same logic will be applied in the given phone number. 6 7 7 and 3 2 1. 7 1 2. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what logic we can apply in this one. 6 7 7 and 3 2 1. 6 7 7 and 3 2 1. Adding will not work because it will become more than 712. 7 minus 1 6, 7 minus 2 5, 6 minus 3 3, right? Multiplying this by 2, I can get 712. Applying the same logic in this one, 3 minus 6 7, 4 minus 7 7, 8 minus 5 3. So we are getting the difference, but the logic followed here is divided by 2 from the difference. So this should not follow. 8 minus 1 7, 3 minus 2 1, 5 minus 3 2, 2 1 7. Multiply by 2. 200 into 2 400. No, this is also not following. 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 2 2, 2 2 4. Multiplying by 2 8 4 4. Yes, this is following. This is following. C should be the right answer. C should be the right answer. Yes, it turns into green. It means we have done right. 21st question. Up to 20 question, I hope there is no doubt to each and anyone, to any one of you, because we have done because the questions are very easy. The questions are very easy. There is no such logic is there in the question. The question, most important question is from the data sufficiency now. Question is, 4 actors A, B, C, D are sitting in row 1 and 4 actors P, Q, R, S are sitting in row 2 but not in the same order. Each person in a row faces in the another row. Who is the neighbor of B? Okay. 4 actor A, B, C, D sitting in row 1. Let's mark this row number 1 and A, B, C, D are sitting over there. And 4 actors P, Q, R, S are sitting in row 2. 4 actors P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S are sitting in row number 2. So 4 person have to sit in each row and they are facing each other. Okay. Statement what we have to answer, who is the neighbor of B? So statement number 1 is saying C is facing Q, A is between C and D. We cannot directly assume that where C will come. We cannot directly assume. And where A is between C and D, we cannot place this thing. So directly we cannot answer from the statement 1. Statement number 2, S is facing A. We cannot fix. Q is a neighbor of P and S. Q is a neighbor of P and S. We cannot do this thing as well. Q is a neighbor of P and S. We cannot do this thing as well. What we should do then? What we should do? Let's combine both of them. Q is a neighbor of P and S. So Q will come definitely between P and S. है ना? If I'm fixing Q over here, and P and S over here like this, and one thing can be done as well, one thing more can be done as well, that Q can come over here and P and S can come over here like this, and R is remaining, R will come here and R is coming over here. S is facing A. If S is facing A, so A can come in both these places and A can come in both these places. C is facing Q. C is facing Q, so C will come here. C will come here. A is between C and D. A is between C and D. If A is between C and D, so A will come here, D will come here, A will come here, D will come here, B will come here, and B will come here. Now, which is the right one? Which is the right one? We have to see this thing. S is facing A. S is facing A. S can face A. Okay. C is facing Q. C is facing Q. A is between C and D. A is between C and D in both the cases. As Q is a neighbor of P and S, Q is also a neighbor of P and S. Okay. Who is the neighbor of B? So in both the cases, I can find the neighbor of B is C. In both the cases, I can see the neighbor of B is C. So with the help of both the statement, I can answer. Let's mark this question. Both the statement required. Right? Answer should be option D. Data in statement 1 and 2 together. Yes, it turns into green. It means we have done right. 22nd question. 22nd question on our screen. Irrigation, sowing, storage, tilling, adding nutrients and harvesting. We have to arrange them in a meaningful order to make some meaningful sense. Okay. So first of all, what should be done? Tilling should be done. After tilling, sowing should be done. After sowing, nutrients should be added. Then irrigation, then harvesting, and then storage. The answer should be 4 to 5. 4 to 5, then 1, then 6 and 3. Okay, A should be the right answer. Let's mark A. Yes, it turns into green, hence we are right. 23rd question. 23rd question we are having on our screen. 23rd question we are having on our screen. Let's see how to solve this one. Let's see how we can solve this one. 1 means A is the brother of B. So we need to find which of the following expression shows W is the father. W is the father. It means W should be the male. W should be the male. Now with the help of the trick, what we can do, the male symbol should come after W. 1 means brother. So after W, 1 can come. 5 means spouse. Spouse can be male, female. Okay, so 5 can also come after W. 7 means mother. So 7 cannot come after W. 6 means daughter. 6 cannot come. So after W, 1 or 5 can come. After W, 1 or 5 can come. Okay. So option number B is cancelled because after W there is no symbol. There is no symbol. There is no symbol. Okay. After W, 7 is given, so this is also cancelled. After W, 7 is given, so this is also cancelled. One option is remaining, that is option A. Let's mark option A. With the help of trick, we solved this question and A should be the right answer. Yes, A is the right answer. We are not supposed to draw the diagram of each and every one. A is the only right answer. This is how we save the time in the exam. Next question, 24th. 24th from the coding decoding. 24th from the coding decoding. Let's see the right answer for this one. In a certain code language, mortgage is written as FS like this. So E can be connected with F plus 1, G to H plus 1, A to B plus 1, G to H plus 1, T U R S O P M N. All the letters have been shifted one position forward in a reverse order, right? Similarly, we will do this S H U V O P I J H V P J H V P J. But we are not having like, okay, not H, it should be T, it should be T. TVPJ, TVPJ. Option number D is having TVPJ. Let's mark D. D is the right answer. Okay. 25th. 25th question on our screen. Let's see the right answer for this one. The question is based on statement and argument. Question is based on statement and argument. The critical reasoning question, the critical reasoning section, which is very important. Should English become a global language? They are saying, should English become a global language? And we have to argue on this point. We have to argue on this point that should English become a global language or not? The argument is yes, because it is the mother tongue of 400 million people across the globe. The across the globe total population is in billions, and that is not 1 billion or 2 billion. It is in around 7 or 8 billion. It is around 7 or 8 billion, right? Total population. If it is a mother tongue of 400 million people, if it is a mother tongue of 400 million people, so does this make any sense? Does this argument hold strong that we should make English a global language just because of the 400 million people? What about the other millions people? What about the other millions people? No, this argument is not right. This argument is not right, and hence one is the wrong. Second is saying yes, because it is the second language of 500 million people. Yes, because it is the second language of 500 million people. If it is the second language of 500 million people, what about the first one? Why we are not giving the priority to the first language? Why we are giving the priority to the second language? So this argument does not hold strong as well. Yes, because it is the language of the internet. No, this is not the language of internet. Who told you this is the language of internet? Internet language is that language in which we feel comfortable to convey the messages, in which we feel comfortable to talk with, right? So this is also not the right argument. None hold strong. Answer should be option number D. All are weak. All are weak. Let's mark D. And hence D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Next, 26th question. 26th question on our screen, again from the statement, again from the critical reasoning, okay. Let's see what should be the right answer. India's largest lender bank has announced that it will be allowing customer to exchange 2000 notes without a requisition slip for amounts up to 20,000 rupees. The statement is India's largest lender bank has announced that it will be allowing customers to exchange 2000 rupees note, that they will be allowing the customer to exchange the 2000 rupees notes without a requisition slip. They do not require any slip for amounts up to 20,000, up to 2000, 20,000 amount, they can exchange 2000 rupees note without any slip, So which is the conclusion that we can make? No one will be allowed to withdraw an amount of more than 20,000. We are not talking about anything about the withdrawing. We are not talking about anything of the withdraw. So this conclusion cannot be made. No requisition slip is required for exchange up to 20,000. This is the conclusion that we can withdraw, that we can make, that we can pull out from the statement. Because in the statement it is saying that India's largest lender bank has announced that it will be allowing customers to exchange 20,000 notes without a requisition slip for amounts up to 20,000. This is simply saying, and the same thing has been repeated in the conclusion number 2. So Conclusion 2 should be the right one. Conclusion 2 should be the right one. Let's mark conclusion 2, that is option A. Option A is the right. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right. 27th question. 27th question on our screen. 27th question on our screen from the analogy. Okay. K to N plus 3, 2 to 4 plus 2, and M to P plus 3. Similarly, H to V plus 3, 6 to 36. I can say 6 square, and similarly I should say not plus 2. It is 2 square. 2 square. So 64 is the square of 8. So the middle term should be 8. And 8 is given in not option A, not D, in B and C. And H to V plus 3. So this E should come with B, because B plus 3 will make E. Right? So answer should be not C, only option number B. Let's mark option B. B8D is the right, because it turns into green. Right? Let's move on to the 28th question. 28th question on our screen from the coding decoding again. From the coding decoding again. From the coding decoding again. What should be the right answer for this one? What should be the right answer for this one? In the question it is given 10 is coded as 1399. Let's write down the number 20, E5, N14, and it is written as 1399. Multiplying them, I can get 100, 1400, minus 1, I can get 1399. Applying the same logic in aid, A means 1, I means 9, D means 4. It will become 36, minus 1, it will give 35. Same thing is given over here. So 20 multiply 1 multiply 14, it will give 280, minus 1, it will give 279. That is option number A. Option number A. Right? Next. 29th question. 29th question. 29th question. Let's see. 3, 4, 3 power 4 and 9 power 2. 9 power 2 is 81. And 3 power 4 is, I can write 3 power 4 like this. 3 square and 3 square. That will be 9 into 9 and equal to 81. Right? So this is also 81. Similarly, 32 square is 1024 and 4 power 5. 4 power 5 can be written as 4 into 4 ki power 4 multiply 4 ki power 1. So 4 ki power 4 makes what? 4 into 4, 16, 4, 64, 64 into 4, 256. 256 into 4, 4, 6, 24, 20, 20 and 2, 22, 1024. So I can say that 8 square is 64. 8 square is 64. So which of the following number will make 64? 2 ki power 6. So 2 ki power 6 means 2 into 2, 4, 2, 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 32 into 2, 64. 2, 6 times. 6 times 2. 6 times 2 means option number A. Option number A should be the right. Let's mark option A. Yes, A is the right answer because it turns into green. 30 and the last question, 30th question and the last question on our screen that we need to solve now. That we need to solve now in order to get the whole mock completed in the time span. Okay, we need to arrange these numbers to get a meaningful word. According to the option 8372, 8 means A, 3 means I, 7 means L, 2 means G, AILG, 5146, 5 means T, 1 means N, 4 means R, and 6 means E. This is not a meaningful word. 5371, T, E, L, N, T, E, L, N, 4, 6, 4 means R, 6 means E, 2 means G, and 8 means A. Tell no, this is also not a meaningful word. 5438, 5438, T, RI, 8 means A, TRIA, 1 means N, it will make triangle I guess, 2 means G, 7 means L, and 6 means E, triangle. Yes, answer should be option number C, option number C, because it is making triangle. So let's mark C option. Yes, C is the right answer. C is the right answer because it is making triangle, right? So all the 30 questions have been completed of this mock and all the solutions have been completed. Do let me know your feedback about the solutions, that did you like the solutions or not, the approaches, the methods that we have followed in order to solve the questions in a faster manner, right? That's it for today from my side. If you like the session, then press the like button, and if you are new on this channel, then do subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. Do catch me live daily on the same channel at 4 p.m. to learn more tricks and the best ways to solve the question. Thank you everyone. Take care.